Welcome to a journey beyond Earth. Let your body relax and let your mind float among the stars. Here are some peaceful facts from the universe above to help you rest, breathe, and drift into sleep. 1. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. 2. Some of the stars above you began shining long before humans existed. 3. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is just one among trillions. 4. It stretches 100,000 light years across the cosmos. 5. A single light year is nearly 6 trillion miles. 6. Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy, is slowly moving toward us. 7. But don't worry, it won't reach us for another 4.5 billion years. 8. Stars don't twinkle in space, only through the shimmer of Earth's atmosphere. 9. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach. 10. Neutron stars are so dense, a teaspoon of their matter would weigh billions of tons. 11. Even in the vastness of space, there's dust, gas, and particles, whispers in the cosmic wind. 12. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. 13. Venus also spins backwards, slowly and silently. 14. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, has at least 95 moons. 15. One of Saturn's moons, Titan, has rivers and lakes made of methane. 16. On Titan, it rains liquid gas under a hazy orange sky. 17. Olympus Mons, on Mars, is the tallest volcano in the solar system. 18. It rises nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. 19. If Earth were the size of nickel, the sun would be a large beach ball. 20. The sun holds 99.86% of all the mass in the solar system. 21. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. 22. Light from the sun takes just over 8 minutes to reach your eyes. 23. The closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is still 4 light years away. 24. In space, there's a giant cloud of alcohol floating near the Milky Way center. 25. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, 1.5 inches each year. 26. Space is completely silent because there's no air to carry sound. 27. Astronauts say space smells like welding fumes or burnt steak. 28. Earth's magnetic field shields us from the sun's harsh radiation. 29. The northern lights are born from solar particles dancing in Earth's atmosphere. 30. In zero gravity, astronauts grow slightly taller. 31. Mars looks red because its surface is covered in rusty dust. 32. Just like Earth, Mars has seasons. 33. A year on Mars is almost twice as long as one on Earth. 34. One Martian day is just over 24 hours. 35. The International Space Station moves at 17,500 miles per hour. 36. It circles Earth every 90 minutes, chasing sunrise after sunrise. 37. Astronauts aboard the station see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. 38. Earth's atmosphere may seem endless, but most of it lies within just 20 miles of the surface. 39. The vacuum of space could boil your blood without a spacesuit. 40. The Hubble telescope has captured more than 1.5 million images since 1990. 41. There are planets drifting alone through the galaxy with no stars at all. 42. Black holes can be as tiny as an atom, yet heavier than a mountain. 43. The biggest black holes sit in the hearts of galaxies. 44. Ours is called Sagittarius A star. 45. A black hole's pull is so strong, even light cannot escape. 46. Time slows near a black hole, like a dream stretching endlessly. 47. Some believe the universe might go on forever. 48. Others say it curves gently like the surface of a sphere. 49. Dark matter makes up over 1/4 of the universe, yet remains invisible. 50. Dark energy makes up most of everything and is still a cosmic mystery. 51. All the stars, planets, and galaxies are just a tiny part of the universe. 52. The universe we can see spans 93 billion light years. 53. Galaxies sometimes collide, slowly, silently, reshaping each other over billions of years. 54. Stars rarely hit each other in these cosmic dances. 55. Some stars live fast and die young, while others burn gently for trillions of years. 56. Our sun is about halfway through its life. 57. The most common stars are small, cool red dwarfs. 58. Red dwarfs burn slowly and may outlive the universe itself. 59. Pulsars are spinning neutron stars, sending out beams of light like cosmic lighthouses. 60. Some spin hundreds of times every second. 61. When a massive star explodes, it becomes a brilliant supernova. 62. Supernovae create the elements in your body. 63. The iron in your blood came from the death of a star. 64. You are made of stardust. 65. Comets are ancient snowballs drifting through the solar system. 66. As they near the sun, their icy hearts form glowing tails. 67. A comet's tail always points away from the sun, no matter where it's going. 68. Halley's Comet returns every 76 years, a visitor from the deep. 69. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt. 70. Most asteroids are small and lumpy, like forgotten pebbles in space. 71. Ceres, the largest object in the belt, is a dwarf planet with mysterious bright spots. 72. Pluto is no longer a full planet, but it has a heart-shaped ice plain. 73. Charon, its largest moon, is so big, some call them a double dwarf planet. 74. Pluto's surface is colder than dry ice and touched by starlight. 75. Sunlight takes more than 5 hours to reach Pluto. 76. Farther out lies Eris, even more distant and mysterious. 77. The Kuiper Belt stretches beyond Neptune, full of icy bodies. 78. And beyond that is the Oort cloud, a frozen halo around our solar system. 79. The Oort cloud may be where long-period comets are born. 80. Voyager 1 has left our solar system and entered interstellar space. 81. It's been traveling since 1977, never stopping. 82. Voyager carries a golden record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos. 83. It includes greetings from Earth in 55 languages. 84. It carries the sound of a baby crying and waves crashing on shore. 85. The moon has no air, so its sky is always black. 86. Its footprints will last millions of years, untouched by wind or rain. 87. The moon's pull creates Earth's tides, a rhythm as old as the oceans. 88. During a total eclipse, the moon briefly hides the sun in a moment of shadowed beauty. 89. When that happens, the sun's halo, called the corona, glows like a crown. 90. Sunspots are cooler regions on the sun, shifting and changing with its mood. 91. Sometimes the sun releases solar flares, storms that ripple through space. 92. The sun's energy follows an 11-year cycle, like a beating cosmic heart. 93. Light moves faster than anything, 186,000 miles per second. 94. Even so, it takes thousands of years for light to escape the core of the sun. 95. The cosmic microwave background is the oldest light in the universe. 96. It's a whisper from the beginning, from the Big Bang. 97. The universe expanded in a flash, faster than light, in its first moment. 98. Near a black hole, time stretches like soft fabric in deep gravity. 99. The event horizon is a point of no return. 100. Some scientists imagine wormholes tunnels through space and time, though none have ever been seen. 101. Earth is the only planet known to support life. 102. But there may be billions of Earth-like planets quietly orbiting other stars. 103. The James Webb Space Telescope peers deeper into the past than ever before. 104. It sees galaxies as they were over 13 billion years ago. 105. Every time we look farther in space, we're also looking back in time. 106. Space isn't truly empty. Even the void contains energy. 107. Some regions of space are colder than any laboratory on Earth. 108. Others are filled with plasma hotter than the sun. 109. The sun's corona is millions of degrees hotter than its surface. 110. Scientists still don't fully know why. 111. The sun is about 93 million miles away, and we call that one astronomical unit. 112. 1 parsec is 3.26 light years. 113. The nearest galaxy beyond the local group is Messier 81, 12 million light years away. 114. Galaxy clusters are bound by gravity, vast webs of matter and mystery. 115. Some quasars are so bright they outshine entire galaxies. 116. Quasars are powered by black holes, devouring matter at galactic hearts. 117. The cosmic web connects galaxies across the universe in glowing threads. 118. Our solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way once every 230 million years. 119. That means the last time we were in this spot, dinosaurs were just emerging. 120. The Earth's axis wobbles ever so slowly over thousands of years. 121. This wobble changes our view of the stars. 122. The North Star hasn't always been Polaris and won't always be. 123. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take 100,000 years to cross the Milky Way. 124. The edges of the universe are expanding faster and faster. 125. That expansion is driven by dark energy still not understood. 126. Some galaxies move away from us faster than light itself. 127. But they're not breaking physics. Space itself is stretching. 128. Cosmic inflation happened in less than a trillionth of a second. 129. It shaped everything we know. 130. Tiny quantum fluctuations grew into galaxies. 131. The oldest known star is more than 13 billion years old. 132. The youngest stars are still being born in nurseries of dust and gas. 133. Stars are born in clouds called nebulae. 134. Some nebulae are bright with starlight. Others are dark and cold. 135. The Orion Nebula is a birthplace of stars visible to the naked eye. 136. 1 teaspoon of white dwarf matter would weigh as much as a car. 137. White dwarfs are the quiet remains of stars like our sun. 138. Over time, they will cool into black dwarfs, silent and dark. 139. No black dwarf exists yet. The universe is still too young. 140. When black holes merge, they send ripples through space-time, called gravitational waves. 141. We detected those waves for the first time in 2015. 142. They confirm Einstein's predictions, made a century earlier. 143. Einstein once called the cosmological constant his biggest blunder. 144. But it might describe dark energy after all. 145. Some particles can pass through solid matter without stopping. 146. These are called neutrinos, and trillions pass through your body every second. 147. There are more atoms in your body than stars in the observable universe. 148. Each breath you take contains atoms breathed by ancient beings. 149. The carbon in your cells came from stars long gone. 150. You carry the memory of the cosmos itself. 151. Most meteors are the size of a grain of sand. 152. When they burn in Earth's atmosphere, they create shooting stars. 153. Some meteorites are older than Earth. 154. A few come from the Moon or Mars. 155. Earth has been hit by many asteroids over billions of years. 156. One such impact helped wipe out the dinosaurs. 157. The Moon may have formed from a massive collision early in Earth's history. 158. That debris coalesced into our companion in the sky. 159. The Moon always shows the same face due to tidal locking. 160. Its far side was hidden from us until the space age. 161. There is no dark side, just the far side. 162. The Moon has moonquakes, gentle trembles beneath the surface. 163. Earth has rings too. Faint dust rings, almost invisible. 164. Saturn's rings may one day vanish as gravity pulls them in. 165. Each ring particle orbits on its own path. 166. Saturn could float in water if you had a giant enough tub. 167. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm that's lasted over 300 years. 168. Lightning on Jupiter is many times stronger than lightning on Earth. 169. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, may have a hidden ocean. 170. That ocean could contain more water than all of Earth's combined. 171. And where there's water, there might be life. 172. Enceladus, another moon of Saturn, shoots icy jets into space. 173. Scientists have flown spacecraft through those jets to sample their secrets. 174. The outer planets are gas giants with no solid surface. 175. Uranus spins on its side, possibly knocked over in a collision. 176. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. 177. Its stormy blue clouds swirl at over 1,000 miles per hour. 178. Triton, Neptune's moon, orbits backward. 179. One day, it may spiral inward and shatter. 180. Then, Neptune could grow rings too. 181. The edge of the solar system is shaped by the solar wind. 182. Beyond it lies the interstellar medium. 183. We are all traveling together through the galaxy. 184. The stars you see at night are mostly within a few thousand light years. 185. But galaxies farther away send light from billions of years ago. 186. Some stars in the night sky have already died. 187. Yet their light still shines across time. 188. In space, every glance is a window into the past. 189. You are here on a tiny blue world cradled in the dark. 190. Floating between fire and silence. 191. This moment is a part of something vast. 192. Something beautiful. 193. Something ancient. 194. And something new. 195. Sleep now under the stars. 196. Let the cosmos hold you. 197. Let time drift by like clouds. 198. Let light wrap you in warmth. 199. You are stardust. 200. And the universe is dreaming with you. Good night, and sleep well beneath the stars.